In this video, we will walk through what a scalping algorithm is and what are the inputs required to place this algo order. Scalping is available for cash, NSE, and futures and options, NSE. It is an intraday trading strategy where you enter and exit positions of an individual stock throughout the same day to benefit from a daily run-up on that scrip. This algo buys when the price falls and sells when the price increases. Let us go over the inputs needed to place this strategy. Assume we wish to run a scalping strategy on ITC with max open quantity of 500 stocks. Let us walk through the inputs required for placing this strategy. First, enter the symbol in this field, ITC. Choose the side you want to keep your open positions in, buy or sell. Suppose buy. Select the product type as desired. Then, select the max open quantity that you want while scalping, 500 stocks. After this, enter the slicing quantity, 50 stocks. Now enter the averaging entry difference. This is the minimum drop in price with respect to last reference price to trigger buy orders. This will be Rs 2.5. Here, enter the take profit or exit difference. This is the minimum rise in price with respect to last reference price to trigger sell orders. Here, this will be Rs 5. After this, select the start price. You have two options here, at market and custom. If you select at market, the first order is executed on market immediately. If you select custom, the first order is sent when the specified start price is reached. Select custom and enter price as Rs 370. Then enter the start time and end time for this algo. Suppose 10:40 AM to 3:30 PM. Click start to place the order. Benefits of using scalping algo can be: this strategy is recommended for highly volatile and liquid stocks. Automated scalping reduces psychological and human errors, reduces trade slippages, monitor real-time P&L. Please note, when not to use, this algorithm is not suggested for illiquid stocks, high bid-ask spread or low volume traded.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.